Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to show you a demo of the Readiness Assessment functionality in the conemis transition cloud. As the first step of the data migration journey, we visualize the data models of both the source and target systems and efficiently define the migration scope. So let's jump right in. The project starts with the assessment of the source, so let's go into this part. The question is always, what exactly do we have in the legacy application, in terms of objects, in terms of fields, in terms of record counts? And the assessment component delivers just that with a click of a button. After the connection configuration is done by us, you can start the assessment with a button click. Then all the information that you're going to see is provided automatically by conemis transition cloud, like the number of entities and fields, number of records, users, and so on. To find out what exactly is relevant for our migration, we have the list of objects here. Some of them have already been marked as relevant, and this is typically an iterative process together with the implementation team and the customer to determine which objects are relevant. We can also drill into individual objects like the account here and see the fields that make up this object together with the type. There is more information, such as whether there are relationships between objects, to determine if there's anything connected to, in this case, the account, that might need to be migrated as well. In this way, we slowly define the scope, object by object. Each time, it's possible to download reports on the current state, either filtered by different criteria, like the number of records, or just the objects that have been marked as relevant so far. Customization can be included or excluded. But these reports are read-only reports, they're not working documents. The actual work is taking place inside the conemis transition cloud, which acts as a single source of truth, thereby eliminating all kinds of version conflicts or lost information due to somebody not reading their emails or not integrating somebody's contribution. All of this is in there, and it's not just for the scope definition, but also used for the next steps. So let's proceed. These are the objects that we've marked as relevant for a demo scenario here, and this information is used for two steps. The first is to generate extract definitions automatically for these relevant objects. The second is to update or pass on the data model into the mapping component so that it's available for mapping and for defining the transformation from the source data model into the destination side object model. With that, we've already concluded the assessment part, and we can have a quick look at what we produced just now with the extract definitions. That's in the extract component, and everything that's here with a full extract demo prefix has been generated automatically. It contains filters. If there are any defined by the systems, they're already in there. If not, they can be added manually or additional filters can be added. We have the table name, the object name, the column list, in this case, just the relevant columns, and some interface parameters. These can be used directly as they are out of the box, or they can be refined to narrow down the scope in terms of the objects or the records. For example, cutting off by creation date is something that we often see in projects. Thank you for watching. After the readiness assessment, the next step in migration process is mapping. To see demos of mapping, as well as data export and import, please check out the related video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For more details on our data journey platform, visit our website or contact us through the links in the video description.